Hey everybody, I just got back from Best Buy about 20 minutes ago. They're open late tonight. I actually had to go to two Best Buys to get this. This is the Pacific on Blu-ray. Um, I've already got Band of Brothers on my shelf. Have not seen this yet, but it usually runs for $79.99. This week only they are actually running a half off HBO series uh, special. So I actually got it for $39.99 instead of $79.99. They're doing it with this, Band of Brothers, and pretty much any TV series that ran on HBO. So 10 parts. There's 6 discs. I've heard 5 of the discs are the parts, and the 6th disc is special features. This is not the Best Buy exclusive version that has the extra disc in it. They didn't have any of those, but I'm just happy to get this 10-part miniseries. This was actually mostly a Christmas present from a friend of mine. They couldn't find it. They gave me the money and told me I can go get it. Hang on, I'll take the plastic off. Okay. The top of this slides off. There is actually adhesive on it, and it's on that. So you have to take that off, and then I believe this just slides. This just slides out, so it's a little bit different packaging to get out. That just slides off of that. So you actually have to keep the adhesive on if you want to keep the packaging the way it came. Photo thing. Blu-ray exclusive features on every part. Little notice saying to upgrade your player if it won't play. And this is actually different from Band of Brothers. It does come in the tin. There's the bottom part of the tin. But the series actually comes in its own little thing. So if you didn't want to keep it in the tin, you don't have to. But I most likely will. Pictures there. One, two, disc three. That's what it looks like so far. If I can, I'll show you all the 4, disc 5, and disc 6. So all the discs are actually right. There's the start of the background there. There. So the background is really nice. Turn this around real quick and show you what it looks like on the back, because the back is actually different. And here's the last picture. If you do want to get this set, I suggest you actually, you might want to do in-store pickup for this. Amazon has it a little bit cheaper, like $1 less. I think it's like $38.99. But I don't know when it will get to you. Best Buy is running out of these, and I believe the sale is only till Sunday. So I believe that Sunday runs out. So you can order it online Saturday, roughly. That's it. Not seen this yet. Hope it's good. Thanks for watching.